Hi, my name's Angela Smith and I have the property 11 Rivergore Road in Gore Bridge and I work for Police Scotland. I decided to sell my property with McEwan Fraser because I was interested in the deferred option payment, and there wasn't many estate agents on the market who actually offered this facility. So when I contacted McEwan Fraser, I was really impressed with the quick reply. They got back in contact with me and they organised for someone to come out and value the property. I was really impressed when this was done. The person that came out to value the property made me feel confident that they would be able to sell my property and they would give me the best service. They made me feel important, which was really important to me because obviously selling a house is a big transaction. Shortly after that, I was contacted by the person who was going to look after me while my property was on the market, and I was really pleased to be informed of who that actual contact person would be. Then after that, obviously the photography and the home report valuation was carried out. These things were carried out very promptly and they were very flexible around the times that I was available. Even on the day when the photographer was going to come out to carry out my photographs, unfortunately the person initially was meant to come out was ill. But immediately McEwan Fraser found me somebody else that came out on the same day, so it didn't impact on me at any time at all. I'd taken that day off to get that done and it was carried out, which I was really pleased about. Now my property went on the market at an unusual time. It went on the market just before Christmas, which isn't the most normal time that somebody would put a property on the market. I had a few reservations with putting my property on the market at that time, but I thought the property was ready and the person that came out to value it was confident that it would be worth my while. And actually on Boxing Day, I was working as well, but on Boxing Day was the first day I actually got a call to say that my first viewer was wanting to view, which I was really impressed. I didn't expect an estate agent to be open on Boxing Day or to be contacted. So I was really, really pleased with that. After that, it was more or less a phone call after phone call telling me that there was viewers. So I was really pleased with the amount of coverage they'd given to my property, because obviously people looking were seeing it from all these different viewing pages at estate agents. I was really pleased with that. I'm also just impressed, I think, with the whole way that McEwan Fraser go about selling your property. I never had any doubt in what they were doing for me, and they were trying to get the best for me. I was particularly impressed with the message board, and I was impressed with it because I am a technophobe and I really kind of veer away from any kind of technology or going online, because usually when I try and do it, it goes a bit wrong. But actually, I was encouraged to use it. I went on it and I thought, once I'd went on it, I didn't know what I was worrying about. It was a fantastic tool to use to actually find out what was happening with my property on a daily basis. It was getting updated constantly, and it was actually a very useful thing for me to use. I was very lucky. I got lots of viewings, and within 3 weeks of my property being on the market, it actually went under offer, and at this time I'm actually under offer and hoping to sell very, very soon. I don't think McEwan Fraser could have done anything else to help my property sell. I think they did everything that they could, and I couldn't see how any other estate agent could have done anything better. I am very, very pleased with their service. It is to a high standard. I know that McEwan Fraser charge a little bit more than other companies, but I definitely feel the money is worthwhile, and I am 100% happy at the service I've been provided by the people who've had personal contact with me in the company.
McEwan Fraser Legal, raising new standards in estate agency.